In this video, I'm going to show how to process a surgery in all the users' profiles that are involved. First, we log in. We log in, and here are all the users' profiles. In the process a surgery, only 3 users' profiles record information. First, the veterinary administrator has to register that a surgery is gonna be made in the veterinary hospital. So right now, here's a listing of the veterinary hospitals that the administrator belongs to. The first one is the sample one. We put this sample one so the users can learn how to interact with the system without actually modifying real information. So we click on it, and we have to go to system, and in the create order section we click search, and then we select a patient, and then we put a surgery. We look for the surgery here, and we select the surgery that's going to be done to a patient, and we select a veterinarian. And when we're done, we press next. We press create order. Okay, so in the order status box, the surgery now appears in pending. It's in pending because no veterinarian has taken the order. Okay, so the veterinarian sees in his work tab the surgery. Okay, so he can check the details and check all the information, and if he wants to do the surgery, he presses take order. Okay, so in the administrator, now the order isn't doing because the veterinarian has taken the order. So the veterinarian proceeds with the surgery. Here it's in doing, and in the order details here he presses start and proceeds with doing the surgery. When the surgery is finished, he presses end surgery, and then presses next. And here he puts the prescription of the medicine that the patient is going to take. When he's done, he presses add. He can add multiple medicines. And when in this screen, he can add pictures of the surgery. For example, if it was a C-section, he can take pictures and then upload them in this section. Here he selects photo library, and then he selects the pictures. When he's done, he presses next, and then here in the screen, he puts a meeting in case if it's required. For example, if it was a C-section and they have to remove the sutures, here he puts in 7 days sutures removal. In the veterinary, he selects the first available or a specific one. Right now we only have one added, so only one appears. But for the removal of sutures is really simple for a veterinarian, so he doesn't have to do it himself. And then the time. And when it's done, you press next, and you confirm that everything is correct, and you press end surgery. And okay, so right now you finish the surgery, but you still have to archive it. And so in this section, you press archive order, and the order was archived here. And now in the administrator, the order appears in the awaiting payment section. Here it is. So the client proceeds with the payment. If a medicine is gonna be added, you look for it in the add product, you add it, you press next, then you add the payment, and then you press add as a paid account. Okay, so it no longer appears here. And then on the last user profiles, on the pet owner, everything appears in the pet's history about the surgery. So here it is. You press details, and here's the and that's how you process a surgery in the